Activists warn the clock is ticking to prevent killer robots getting out of human control. Militaries around the world are using all kinds of AI-powered devices to save and take lives. The world's most cited expert on the topic has told Sky News limits need to be put in place. Our science and tech correspondent Brent O'Halloran reports on the push to stop a Terminator-style takeover.
This probably won't quell the fears of AI doomsayers. Nadia the robot was originally designed to do tasks too dangerous for humans. Her creators soon recognised she also packs a punch.
They're not actually running the arms nearly as fast as they can go. They're not really hitting very hard either. And we think that we could make them at least 30% faster and hit a lot harder.
Nadia is a novel example of what some see as a dangerous trend: artificial intelligence being used for combat.
Whilst Pandora's box is opening, we still have the opportunity to act now.
AI was first used in war with guided Tomahawk missiles in the 1990s. It's now helping humans kill each other in a variety of ways. The Israeli military is using AI targeting in its bombardment of Gaza. Drones which fly themselves are being used in Ukraine, while the US has more than 800 AI-related unclassified projects, including the recently announced Replicator program, aiming to make thousands of autonomous vehicles by 2026.
We are increasingly moving towards human-supervised warfare as opposed to humans in warfare.
Former Navy pilot Dr Missy Cummings has testified before Congress, advised the current and past US presidents, and authored the most cited research on the military use of AI. She told Sky News a Hollywood-style robot takeover is unlikely, but more needs to be done to ensure humans remain in control of AI-powered weapons.
If we hold people, companies accountable for mistakes both on the battlefield but also in the commercial civilian world, that's how we're going to ensure that these technologies don't get out of control.
In November, Australia signed the Declaration of Responsible Military Use of Artificial Intelligence and Autonomy. It was written by the US, is non-binding, and some of the world's largest militaries haven't signed on to it. The United Nations Secretary General and human rights groups are calling for new international AI laws.
We're seeing more and more autonomy being researched and developed, and what we're not seeing is adequate controls or any guardrails putting in place around this.
AI is, of course, a broad term, and most experts believe regulation around the military use of AI should be specific. Examples include banning fully autonomous targeting and banning AI involvement with nuclear weapons systems.
The countries that make it through this are going to be countries that are cautiously optimistic, but have good checks and balances in place.
Artificial intelligence is facilitating killing on a mass scale. If the robots do revolt, they likely won't just be throwing fists. Brent O'Halloran, Sky News.